Good morning, everybody. I brought over another one of these pipes, so it now runs all the way to the end, almost. There's a little bit of a space, so I'll probably have to add a little bit extra, and then I can bend it off and send it this way. I'm taking down this gate today and moving it over to here so it's in line with the barn, because originally there was a fence that actually came off of here, ran around here, and went up to there, so that this part had a space that was separated from the barn from the rest of the garden. But things have changed. There was a part of the fence went from there and down there and across there, so that there was like actually the upper garden that was fenced off from the lower garden. We removed that as well. So now this is kind of no longer the same as it was. So now it's kind of just projecting out past the barn, and it's no longer as solid as it used to be because there isn't the rest of the fence that's attached to it. So here is just, let's see if I can get it. Because there was a gate going across here, going into there, and then there was another gate that still exists going into here. And then the animals were able to actually keep the vegetation off of the barn by going through here and going around the barn. But it changed. So now I'm going to take this down, move it over, bring it to here. I'm going to have I think I'm going to actually use this thing. It's nice and solid, and I'll put that up against there. We'll see. We'll have to check on the spacing. But the issue is I want to put in pipe along this side, so I have to make sure that the post that is driven into it is off of the barn. Otherwise, the post will have an issue where the pipe that's running along here is going to butt into it, and that'll cause some issues. So when you're designing things, you have to think of how they all fit together. And I pulled up the mill felt that was sitting here, and I'll put in another post over here because this is not going to hold up. So I'm going to take out this one and move it over here, or I'll go get another post and move it over. And I'll take this post and move it over, or get another post and put it in there. But I have to see what state these posts are in down at the base, because there's a lot of moisture down here and they might have rotted out. We shall see, we shall see. Well, talk to you guys later. Bye.